Hi, in today's video I thought I would share with you a full body stretching routine for beginners, seniors and for ladies over 50. This is great for flexibility and mobility. Now as you can see, I'm starting on the floor here and I've crossed my legs here. I have one leg in front of the other. If you like, you can place on top, obviously depending on how flexible you are. And we're going to first of all place our hand onto the side of our knee, and we also want to make sure that our core is engaged. So if you can just first of all gently breathe in for 3 and then hold that engagement, and then place our hand on the side, take our arm out and just very gently breathing out, stretch to the side. This is a great stretch here. And then just gently come up, take the other hand, come all the way along. We'll just do this a few times, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Feel real good, great stretch. And just go as far as comfortable is for you. And again. And then one last time on each side. So coming along, great stretch, and up and back again, and back up. So now while we're in this position, I'm just placing my hands onto my feet. If you like, you can hold onto your knees or even behind if you like. And we're just gently going to tilt our head to the side and then the other. Obviously, if you have any neck issues, please contact your doctor, but just be very gentle and mindful. So gently breathe in and just tilt the head to the side, keeping the shoulders nice and straight. And then just gently come up and again on the other side. And then come up. We'll do this just one more time on each side. And you should feel a lovely stretch. And then just tilt the head and just move all the way along, just turning the head to one side and then turn the head to the other. Nice, slow and mindful. And one last time on each side. So now I'm going to place my hand behind me, placing my other hand onto my knee and just giving a very gentle twist, breathing out. And coming back, again placing one hand on the knee, one behind me, and breathe, gently breathe out and twist. I just hold that stretch. And then again, coming back, let's just do this one more time on each side. Again, hand on the knee, hand behind, and just gently twist and breathe out. And coming back for the last time, hand on the knee, hand behind, and just gently breathe out and turn. And come back to our position. So what we're going to do now is we're going to place our legs out nice and straight and take our toes here and our legs just coming back down, and let's just very gently work in a round circular motion with our feet, stretching out the toes and then the other way. And then if you like, you can just sit up nice and straight and just hinge from the hips and just come slightly forward. A lovely stretch here. And if you like, you can actually take your fingers and just crawl them as far as you can If you can touch your toes, that's even better. If not, it doesn't matter, you can eventually build up to this. And gently come back up, placing your feet out, laying down. And you just want to just come with your knee, placing one leg down and just hug your knee in. This is a really great stretch. And then if you like, you can come up. And you should feel this in your calf. And gently come back down. And then the other leg in, coming in, and just press towards you. This is a great gentle stretch. And then again, if you can just place your hand behind your leg and just bring your leg up. And come back down. And then let's just do a gentle twist side to side. So just bring our knees up, bring our arms out, just gently twist from one side and look the other way. Come back up and look the other way. Let's do this 2 more times on each side. Again, remembering to hold in your core and to breathe. Breathe out and breathe in. So then coming down, we're then going to place one of our knees upwards and across our body and lifting our leg up. And you should feel a great stretch on your leg here. And then place the knee down and take the other leg and just press it down. Just a nice gentle stretch. And then come back down and then just stretch out the legs here. And then coming back up. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will leave another video here if you'd like to join me there, that would be great. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and found it useful. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.